An updated analytical study of printed media of Urdu language in Pakistan regarding government policies about education. This important article is authored by the following scientists. In this article, printed media of Urdu language of Pakistan is analyzed from the period 1st January 2010 to 30th November 2014 regarding existence to up till the current educational policy in the year 2014. This article highlights the government, educational policies and the preferences about changing the educational curriculum in different periods. In this article, the financial problem behind all educational policies also discussed. Due to this problem, government authorities had to implement foreign policies in the educational system of Pakistan by neglecting its consequences. Introduction. Pakistan was created based on a strong ideology, but after its formation, the country became distracted by theoretical debates unrelated to real problems. This lack of focus has prevented important issues from being solved, leading to ongoing challenges. From the beginning, the education system should have been designed to build students' character based on religious and cultural values while also producing a skilled and practical workforce. Sadly, the goals of the education system are still unclear. Back in 1947, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah clearly stated that our education policy should reflect our history and culture, while also meeting the needs of the modern world. He stressed the importance of scientific and technical education to strengthen Pakistan's economy and promote progress in trade, business, and industry. Conclusions. A closer look at government education policies shows that the focus has been more on increasing student numbers rather than improving the quality of education. True national progress depends not on quantity, but on the development of capable individuals. To raise student quality, well-qualified teachers should be hired, and existing teachers should receive modern training. Teachers who show good results should be rewarded, while those with poor results should be transferred from their home areas. All teacher transfers should be based on merit, not political influence. The medium of instruction should also be clearly defined. Lastly, the status of teachers in society must be improved. Only when teachers are respected can they truly perform their best. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.